Hello, collective. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. It's been a good day, and I hope your day is good as well. We're going to get a couple of these to start. Okay, today's prayer. I found these babies and I like them because you just pull one and it's something, it'll tell you something that you need to focus on, something that you need to remember, keep in the forefront of your brain to help you through, any kind of situation. Faith is being sure of what we hoped for and certain of what we do not see. Hebrews 11:1. You could be seeing 111. Someone is needing to have faith and hope and what it is that they're trying to manifest, and what they want for themselves, what they want for their lives. Okay, first and foremost, check the description box for my disclaimer and anything else you need to know about me. Take the messages as it resonates. Okay, this is a general reading, so if it's for you, you will have confirmation. Someone could be a Hebrewite, Israelite, Hebrew, or come from that, or be rubbing shoulders with someone like that. Let's see. Whoever believes in me, as scripture has said, rivers of living water will flow from within them. John 7:38. Okay, so this is about belief. This is about faith. Someone's name could be John. Someone could be Jewish. Let's see. Blossoming of the Sky Dancer, card 3, Radiant Moon of Compassion. Okay, Blossoming of the Sky Dancer, card 3. Let's see what that says. It says, Kuan Yin is a being of divine feminine power. She dances with the sky, the heavenly powers of inspiration, and as a result, life blooms around her. Kuan Yin brings you guidance that you are creating something important right now, something that is aligned with heavenly forces and light, that is significant for the path of spiritual awakening on this planet. Whether you are fully conscious of it or not, it is happening. Your spiritual light is flowing into a physical plane with the intention to manifest certain situations and circumstances. These manifestations are accordance with your spiritual path, and Kuan Yin will support you in their manifestation with her sky dance, which calls the divine light of inspiration and support into earthly creation, so that we can experience the divine in form here on earth. Your Yin power is the consciousness and beingness, child. The beingness that allows us to draw into our lives that which we desire. We become attractive to it: wealth, well-being, peace, passion, purpose, friendship, support, success, and so on, rather than going out and striving for it as though we do not have it within us already. We can grow in our ability to simply be and become simultaneously until we experience it physically in our lives. It is only a matter of time until it happens. Cultivate Yin power to allow creation to manifest in your physical reality. You can focus more on allowing, flowing, surrendering, and participating in the greater flow, rather than the usual ways in Western culture of doing, making things happen, forcing, intending, and holding. Kuan Yin guides you now to balance doing with being. Beingness is presence, it is appreciation, it is joyful stillness and wonder. It is the realization within that you are a spiritual magnet, and whatever you want to attract, you can, simply by cultivating the qualities you seek to experience externally within you. She guides you to sky dance with her now, to become receptive to heavenly energies, to allow the manifestations to blossom like flowers falling from her divine feet. So this is about knowing that you will have something knowing that you harness it within you already, knowing that, and also knowing that whatever vibration you are on, you that is what you attract. That is as above, what was that? As above, so below, as within, so without. And that just means that you are the center of your universe. You are creating. You, whatever you thinketh, it will beeth. Okay? In short. All right, so it's just being in tune, allowing things to flow, allowing things to be, allowing yourself, what did you ask for? Be deserving of it. So vibrate at the energy of what you're asking for, and believe it. It's working with God, working with the universe, working with the all that is, We have cultivate. So again, that card mentioned something about working on something. You're working on something that is for the highest good of all, and you're needing to believe that you can do it, believe that it's gonna come in, believe that you can cultivate something. Taurus is the second house as well, which is I have. So you got something that you're working on. Okay, you could be a Taurus, working with a Taurus. You might have Taurus in a significant placement in your chart. Opposition, card 53. And Gemini, cross-pollinate. Okay, so you might have someone who is opposing you. Something could be difficult. That's why you need to have faith and you need to believe. All right. There could be some type of networking or there could be some type of networking that you're needing to do. That could be the internal struggle. But then if this is external to you, there could be people who could be communicating. Okay, because Gemini is Mercury, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And it talks about connecting with your environment. Okay, so there's people, there could be people in your environment that could be trying to make shit fucking difficult. Fuck them. They don't matter. Excuse my French. Believe in it. Believe that God has your back. Believe that the highest power is out here moving mountains for you. This is a community. You're needing to get in touch with the community, get involved with community work, or this is a group of people, okay, in opposition to you. Okay, something has reached its pinnacle. Okay, there could be a Gemini or Taurus Gemini in here go again in your environment who is trying to do something difficult. Maybe you got Cancer here. Immerse emotions. So we got Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer. Okay, so second house, third house, fourth house. These could be people on the cusp. Okay, you could be on the cusp. Something about that. Okay. Third house, communication. It's enough. I heard enough is enough. So people are either not liking what someone is saying. Okay, third house, communication here. People are making shit difficult for you to cultivate, to bring something in, to master something, to have success in something. People are they have no tact. Okay, someone is needing to stay in their power. Okay, we have dignified and strength here. All right. Someone has remained dignified and strong um, throughout this whole ordeal. Okay, with Pinnacle. Pinnacle reminds me of, like, you know, when you're watching a movie and it's, you know, it's the rise to the thing, everything, and something has reached its peak. Now we're gonna witness the downfall of this community doing shit behind the scenes. Something has been debilitated, or somebody was trying to debilitate you. Okay. Mm. Ninth house. Ninth house is your philosophies, the way you see the world, your learning. Okay, diving deep into something, learning. Because what do Sagittarius do? Ninth house energy. What do? This is what I learned about, and then they get involved in the topic thoroughly. They get understanding, overstanding. You know, they dive deep until they understand. Okay, and then we have act here, Aries, Mars energy. Investigate. So it's going through the houses. Okay, something was taking its time. Okay. Yeah, there could have been like a recent attack spiritually on someone here. Yeah, we have journey. Yeah, Libra, balance. This is it. Somebody is balanced. Okay, somebody was able to sustain. Somebody's needing to sustain their routine here. Or this is the opposition. They're trying to sustain some type of notoriety. I just heard the rights, power, or something in this community here. And we have activate. Something is activating in someone's north node. And we got a Scorpio here. So someone is needing to dive deep into the unseen to see the truth of a situation. Somebody's needing to change their perception, or somebody's trying to change your perception. Okay, we got a Scorpio and Moon. So somebody is hiding their true selves in a partnership. All right. 12th house, Pisces energy. Something could be hidden about a partnership. You know what song has been in my head since I was getting ready to get into this reading? I forget the lady's name, the artist. She's a British singer, and this is fairly old. American Boy. You'll be my American boy, American boy, take you out. Something. All right, we got countryside. Somebody can live in the country, scorching lands, and bench. Okay, something has been burnt up. I just heard dragon's breath. Something has been burnt the fuck up. Blazing sun, arid desert, searing heat, parched earth. Rest, relaxation, seating, comfort, pause and ponder. Okay. That's interesting. So something's been burnt up. Somebody could be trying to figure out why. Nightclub. Okay, so if you go to a specific place to get coffee, don't go there anymore. If you're being watched, If there's opposition in the community, or, you know, these people, don't go and get coffee anymore from that place. They could have infiltrated. They want to see how something is going to affect someone. People are doing stuff at night. Something new. Don't go get coffee from that place anymore. Make your own coffee at home. Somebody's taking a gamble. Somebody could have a gambling addiction. Somebody is doing money spells, money drawing spells. So before someone gambles, they do some spell work or whatever. Somebody's trying to burn somebody's dream. Something has been burnt. Somebody is trying to burn something. Somebody's belief in something. Somebody could work for the government. This government office or building could be in like a rural area. It might look like a house, but it's not a house. So somebody is sitting around heartbroken. Somebody's reflecting on something. Okay, so somebody's doing research, like somebody could be a botanist. Somebody is researching like healing, holistic healing. Maybe someone's trying to figure out how to heal from a whole bunch of like shit that they've been doing, meeting people. Somebody is remembering or something about nostalgia, nightclub, and zoo. So wild nights out. Somebody's reflecting on that. Somebody's trying to manufacture hair care. Okay. So somebody could be needing to get something passed with the FDA. Somebody has like a storefront, a brick and mortar, like in the inner city or something like that. Somebody works in a laboratory. Somebody's trying to create something. This could be a public trading company. All right. Somebody has to go to court for something. So Somebody could be trying to debate whether or not they want to take the train or drive there or whatever. But something is, I'm getting so many things, child. There's some things I just won't say for the protection of me. But something something to do with some type of testing here. This could be like somebody taking someone to court. Like it could be a big thing, but it's not publicized. Somebody works at a laboratory, and they was given DNA, but this DNA, it's been what's the name of it when the specimen has been like there's something foreign in the specimen, so you can't really use it. Whatever the name of that is, whatever that's called, is because there's fibers from a car in it. Carpet fiber or something like that. Like something from, natural substances or something like that. Coffee house. There's some fungus. There's a fungus. Somebody could be watching someone from a parking lot. Someone has a beauty salon. Somebody works in the hair salon. Somebody works in the hair industry. What is this? Someone could do hair from their house. Something about water. Hospitality. I'm here at hotel lobby. About what's his name? Damn. One of the guys from the Migos. I like to get geeked. Somebody could do mushrooms. Somebody could be drinking that new Rise thing. Bathroom, kitchen, school, fuel station, industrial, production, window, forest. Something about mushrooms, fungus, okay. Somebody makes somebody could have a cookhouse. What do you call that shit? Like a meth lab? Is it a lab of some sort? Out in a wooded area up in the mountains or something? Ooh. Cause I heard that song Bia, and she said in the song she said crushing up the drugs with the same hands that I fix to pray with, but I heard cooking up the drugs. So somebody's cooking. Somebody's cooking something. I don't want to use this. Where do you want me to go? I don't know. maybe somebody is working on like a vaccine for something. Maybe somebody is, you know, working on something that's going to help, you know, with something. All right. Reminder. It's something that you're needing to remember. Something from someone's Akashic record. Okay, because as you progress on the journey, but as you pass tests and stuff, things are going to be revealed to you that you'll need for the next part of your journey. So there's something that you're needing to remember, something coming back to you, or something. Okay, we got High Priestess of Fire. So this is about your passions. This is about taking action. Or this is about Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or this is about mastering your spirit. Mastering, having a full connection with your spirit. And then we have reminder. Absolutely. Tapping into your higher self. Having full autonomy and control. Okay? Someone's healing the heartbreak. Someone's healing the ouch here. Someone could be wanting like a government loan, or it's like, where is the oh, one at a time, please. Slow down, slow down. So something is being renewed here. High Priestess of Air, something with the thoughts, communication. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. Soul recognition. Trapped, wishing. Someone could have been trying to trap somebody here. Someone is feeling trapped in their head here. Someone could be trying to wish a way out of something. Someone could have made a wish to trap somebody. Oh, I know why the cage bird sings. Only joy comes from sun. Everyone comes to stare at me. That's Alicia Keys. I feel like I need to look up the lyrics on that. She said, you're so rare and beautiful to others. Right now I feel like a bird caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and reverie. They don't know why. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me. Keep me from flying. That's why I say that. I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, fly, fly? Spreading her wings in her song. Let her fly, fly, fly for the whole world to see. Oh, just let her fly, just let her fly. Spread the wings and the beauty. So, someone's trying to keep someone trapped, okay? Someone needs to be honest about why they are feeling trapped, or that how they got trapped. This could be fire sign versus air sign, Mercury versus Mars, or someone could have a strong fire and air placements here. There's a strong Gemini here. Okay, someone needs to meditate to get the key. Yep, to connect to their spirit. That's what someone needs to do. That's what someone has been doing. Yep, how to let go. To unlock something, free something. Free your the inner self here. Rigid. Somebody has Somebody don't want to let go. It's hard. Somebody let go. Somebody needs probably somebody needs to let go of some type of belief system as well that's keeping them caged in. Okay. We got High Priestess of Water. Balancing of emotions here, letting go here with the surrender and risk, and being loyal to themselves, nurturing themselves, healing themselves. We got a water sign here now though. We have air, fire, air, water, fire, and ether. Someone's missing earth. Someone needs to ground themselves because earth is in the back of the deck. But really, listen, I'm moving on. You get what I'm saying? Because there's only fire and air out here. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries starts the fire. Leo sustains the fire. And Sagittarius chooses which way it goes. Whether to put it out, whether to make it stronger. You know. Air signs. Who's first? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Gemini has an internal battle, okay, about what they think and what the world thinks. Okay. A Gemini could think two things and think both of them be true. Libra finds the balance, okay, between both sides, both spectrums, both viewpoints. They get to the truth. Okay, Aquarius says they they rationalize, okay? They have an overstanding. It's a reason why I'm breaking it down this way, so someone needs to pay attention. But air signs are all very detached, right? They're I won't say fluid, but like water, they move. Fire takes hold, and once it's got that ass, it's got that ass. So so we got this High Priestess of Fire. Okay, you're gonna get burnt. Okay, no matter what. It could either death. So something is coming to it, and this is transformation, renewal. So somebody had to walk through the fire of something. Somebody had to walk through the fire. Magician. Someone is doing death magic. There could be a fire sign doing death magic on someone here. Or this is after walking through it. Now somebody has got all the keys. Someone can manifest. This is about becoming a superpower, I just heard. Someone could be trying to release something. Yeah, no. Someone is doing... This is chaos magic. Someone's trying to burn something. Someone is trying to prevent someone from having dreams and aspirations and all of that stuff. Can I have one, please? Just one. Somebody could be fearful about an ending of something. Okay. This community could be being stripped of something here. Somebody is having anxiety, or someone's stressed out about something coming to an end. Someone is needing to let something go. Let it go. Heal from it. Okay? So that they could be a coming together as well. Justice. Someone's trying to hide from or avoid conflict, okay? Or somebody is making investments into this conflict, or somebody's trying to figure out who to invest in. There could be people, multiple people commuting. That's competing is what I meant to say for something. There could be Queen of Wands looking into something very deep here. Someone is looking into something, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And then we got this Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords here. There's an opposition here. Okay, this Queen of Swords came out with the Chariot here. So this Queen of Swords is listening, being guided, being pulled along. There's some success here. All right. And this Queen of Wands, somebody could be looking at how you know, how the fuck they get all this conflict, you know, like, what in the fuck? Okay, something has something to do with someone's South Node and North Node. Somebody could have lost passion for something, and that's being healed. Yep, I say that. And then the Ace of Wands comes right on out. So something about taking action, something being sparked in someone. Okay. Ace. Oh, we got the Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Something is about. Oh, then the Ace of Pentacles. Oh, okay. Something had to end. Something had to be laid to rest for this Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles to come in. All right. The Ace of Swords is not out here. Because somebody already got the Ace of Swords. Bomba. Because the Four of Swords talks about the Three of Swords healing, right? But he's resting on top of the Ace of Swords. So somebody already got clarity. Somebody already got truth. Somebody already has, I heard, conviction. Should I leave that there or let them come out? I'm going to let them come out if they're supposed to. But something is being renewed here. This is a spark, a new beginning here. This is the somebody connected and they got a boost. Reminder. I feel like the reminder could also be like, be mindful of your thoughts. Okay, about the past. So somebody can't forget the past. There's a lot of anxiety here. Someone can't sleep. Somebody is stressed about something. Somebody's feeling heavy guilt. Okay, we do have heartbreak in place. Okay. So yeah, somebody is like, it wasn't worth it. Something wasn't worth it. The partying, the drinking, and all of this stuff, it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it at all. Okay, whatever the fuck happened in the past, something is like, nah, I didn't get anything out of it. Somebody could have been somebody wasn't concerned about this magic that they was doing on somebody's financial new beginning. Okay, somebody wasn't concerned. Somebody is going to be watching someone manifest some prosperity. Somebody could be, conflict. Somebody is watching to cause conflict, or someone is talking heavy shit and they're trying to cause conflict. Ooh, Page of Swords is Gemini energy. Knight of Swords, Aquarius energy with this Five of Wands, Leo energy here. All signs that we had already spoken about. These could be the people in this community or the people that decided to cause opposition. Somebody could be wanting to confront somebody. Child. There's big changes here. Okay, or somebody's trying to come in quick. With this, they're not thinking. Yeah, I feel like whoever invested in this community, if something is a burden here, somebody is overloaded. Okay. Seven of Swords, King of Swords. Somebody is still here goes this government building here. So the Hierophant talks about institutions. This could be someone who works in the government. Someone there's definitely whatever knowledge that someone has, it could be a burden for them, or somebody is somebody got a lot of responsibilities here. Okay, because they know some type of truth here. Somebody knows that somebody was lying, cheating, stealing, doing something underhanded, or this King of Swords was the one doing something underhanded in this either group, organization, this government position, whatever the fuck they was doing. Somebody could have been smuggling money, embezzling something. I don't fucking know. Somebody could have been cleaning their money in a smaller business somewhere or whatever. There's something. Someone knows about some underhanded shit in this Hierophant community. Someone could also be getting some type of divorce or something like that. Someone could be married to an air sign or a fire sign here. We got Cancer energy and Libra energy here. I get the slight hint of something in the reverse, though. Did something go back on someone? Did something backfire? I don't know. Maybe someone's perception is or was askewed here. But there's a choice here. Should I stay or should I go? What's the best way to move forward? What's the best way? Maybe someone wants to talk about something. Maybe someone is trying to figure out the best way to express something here. Something from their heart here. Or someone wants to follow their heart. Okay. If someone is coming to talk to somebody, someone is really not going to expect it. Okay. I'm going to leave that King of Swords there with the Seven of Swords. Someone regrets whatever they did. Okay. If you was dealing with this person, they want you to remember what they did. Somebody about someone's secret rendezvous, I heard. Ciao. Okay. The other day I had a channel song. What was the name of it? It was a Drake song, but it was talking about, what he say? After dark, in the whip so low, no one's gotta know. I did speak about the car. So something about a car, and we have nightclub, zoo. So something happened on a night or a couple of nights, about a rendezvous, a meetup, or something like that. I just heard somebody was effing for favor. The Wheel of Fortune is here. Something is changing in the future, in the distance. What's the High Priestess of Air? know. No one's gotta know. Judgment. Okay, somebody is answering the call, or somebody has made a final decision. Okay, they've been watching whatever this is play out. Okay, Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords made a final judgment call. All right. Someone's thinking about something. Someone is being alerted about something. So a Queen of Swords could be under judgment. The angels could be encouraging someone. They could have encouraged someone. Yeah, 10. Jupiter energy, Sagittarius energy. So good luck. Okay, the judgment is that there's a air sign who's going to be getting some good luck, success moving forward here. Queen of Swords. You don't have to be an air sign. You could just be someone who's highly smart, someone who's listening to the guidance here. All right. This Queen of Swords could have revealed something about a Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or something changed within them. Okay, possibly about a King of Cups, or something came to light. Someone could be experiencing a tower, a shakeup, some sudden loss or something like that. So it may be instead of someone holding their sword up in front of them, they can be a little bit more relaxed, okay, because they know they have a power. They know that they are strong. They're standing in their power. They're not being fearful of it. Queen of Wands. So what's this Wheel of Fortune here? Ooh. If someone was being unfair, there was some type of injustice in a friends group. There was some type of injustice. Okay, there's disappointments here. Somebody had a bunch of karmic friends. Okay. This King of Wands, Queen of Cups energy here. Whoever somebody was working with. Yeah. There's some swift changes coming in. What was this injustice? What was the injustice? Okay. Like I said, something went in the reverse. So, justice says, I get what I give. Okay. Maybe someone not following their intuition was involved in this situation here. We got Cancer energy and Aquarius energy. So something about emotional battery. Was somebody being emotionally damaging? Someone followed their intuition and walked away from a situation here. They could have been in an attack on someone's intuition here. Somebody could have been trying to throw off someone's discernment. Devil energy. Queen of Cups. Somebody was obsessed with something, secretly obsessed. Okay. There's a betrayal here. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Someone may have Cancer or Capricorn in their chart. We got the moon here with Aries energy with this 4 of Wands, Gemini, lovers. There was a betrayal here. Someone someone got stabbed in the back, and then someone ghosted someone. Someone's holding on to their energy. Maybe someone wants to come back and apologize, express some type of emotion. Someone could be like really, really angry. Someone's trying to bottle up shit inside. Someone has secret addictions here, secret obsessions. What was the injustice with this betrayal energy here? Five of thank you. Someone left somebody out in the cold. Okay, someone could have been trying to cause someone hardship. Okay, physical struggle. 3 cups. This is a community, secret community. Yeah, I heard all you motherfuckers. Whee! Something's a slow burn. Something's coming to an end. So what's this? What a fortune here. What's this karma? What is this? Hermit. So it's like as someone walks away, someone's gonna learn why they had to walk away. Yeah, the sun. Something is being exposed. The Hermit. Contemplating. Self-reflection. Introspection. And then the 6 of Swords. It was time. Somebody's angels are helping someone move away from a situation to bring in some type of balance. Somebody's going to regain balance when they walk away from a situation. 6 of Cups in the Sun. So there could be a baby involved. Someone could have had a baby. Okay, secret baby, because the High Priestess is out here. All right. Something about someone's mental state is being healed. Okay, I gotta move on because I got to get up out of here. Today, I allow life to be easy. Something about ease. Something is going to be easy. When this new beginning comes in, this good news, this spark, this is going to bring in some type of financial security. True security comes from having a reserve of time, space, energy, personal power, and love. Make deposits in all of these accounts and you'll be a wealthy person. Indeed. So this is about balance as well. Worry less about making the right choice and more about being strong enough to handle any outcome. Okay, choices. I got one more. Ooh. Oh. Take that as a no and move on. In the whip so low, no one's gotta know. After dark, knocking at your door, no one's gotta know. You can. And the reading that's taken is Sweet Time to upload. It could have something to do with this reading here as well. So go and take a peek at that. Somebody's needing to accept responsibility for something here. Take the lead, transformation. So lead your own transformation. Who do you want to be? What do you want to be? Where do you want to be? Okay. Ooh. Accept responsibility out again. And I'm not going to make the mistake in asking one more time. Love, the past. Something about love in the past. A past lover. Past life lover. Somebody could have did magic on someone. I'm going to leave this open here just like that. I'm going to get one of these cards. One, or whatever comes out on the first flip. And then I'm going to get whatever comes out on the first flip from the Lover's Oracle. Okay. That was fast. January. Things will unfold as they are meant to. So something could have happened in January. You could have been privy to some information in January, or this coming January, things are going to come out. January is the dead of winter. It's about the middle of winter, right? Something probably, maybe something about a Capricorn or Aquarius. Aquarius cusper. But there's something coming out. When you're truly ready for it at the bottom of the deck. So whatever that means to you, that could just simply mean in divine timing, the truth of a situation has got to come out, okay? And you're needing to do the work. You need to reflect. I heard get your mind right. So let's see. Maybe you're needing to why can't I tell you the truth? I'm scared of rejection. I'm better with my mind than my heart. Here you go. The heat between us is intense. So it sounds like somebody ran away from a connection here. It sounds like somebody, you know. But what I was gonna say, maybe it's better that you and both parties focus on, or whoever's involved. Okay, whoever I'm reading for, it's better that you focus on your goals, your dreams, and aspirations at this time. Okay, because it sounds like there's a lot of bullshit going on, or that was going on, whatever the case may be. Whatever flips out, that's it. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Bottom of the deck, it says, give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So maybe somebody was not willing to work on something because of finances. All right. Or this could, somebody allowed finances to come in between a relationship here. Somebody could have been doing love spells or something like that. Okay. Cut in this deck. Environmental. You're an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture, and teach about nature and animals. Whatever flips out. And we have author here. You have a book inside you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Study. Reading, research, and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. And I'm going to get one from Archangel Michael. Sort of light, mixed with the Angels and Ancestors Oracle deck. And I'm going to close it out. Yeah, because we about at 60 minutes. So whatever flips out, and that'll be your message. One more from Archangel Michael. There we go. Thank you. It says, release the old and rest. Yep. Let go of your fear and worry for your loved ones. I am looking after them. Your loved ones are safe. Someone could be 41 years old. Bottom of the deck. You are ready for more. Your career is growing and blossoming. Now is the time to make changes you've been contemplating. All right. There's your message, you guys. You guys be safe. Bye.